This message is being broadcasted at the request of the local police department. A civil danger warning has been issued for the following area: Houston, Texas. There have been multiple reports of anomalies who appear to act normal but have massive deformities. We advise to stay away from these anomalies, for we don't 100% know how they will interact with people. Description of these anomalies include 15 feet tall figures, large bulging eyes, a mouth 2 times the average size of a human. We will further investigate the cause of these deformities. A civil danger warning will stay in effect until further notice. This message is being broadcasted at the request of your local police department. A civil danger warning has been issued for the following area: Houston, Texas. Further investigations of anomalies have shown that these creatures have manipulated others to drink tap water. Tap water was taken into labs and observed multiple times and nothing has showed up. We advise to stay indoors, and if any of these anomalies appear, stay calm, call the police, and
drink the tap water, drink the tap water, drink the tap water.